Good morning, traders. In this video, I would like to review Alpha Fibonacci software and current overextended institutional rally. Alpha Fibonacci system identified far in advance. In front of you, software projected on 5-minute chart, trades played out on multiple charts. What's the power of the software? The power of the software, it gives you precise entry, stop, and targets. When the alert is given at the green zone, an entry is shown on the scanner, obey the rules, trade with institutions, place your trade, and remember where to exit. You always scale out one step at a time, and you never hold your trade outside without break even at this level. This is reversal zone where trade collapsed from, as expected. This morning we are no longer at 4,500 level. This morning we are at drastically higher level. What is the problem with the software right now? What is it telling you? It's telling you bullish rally overextended at the bold red zone. Intelligent trader understands only institutional traders can buy at this level. Retail traders cannot buy red zone. Success rate on longs at the red zone less than 20%. This is a moment that's essential to remember the difference between you, retail trader, versus institutional traders who are trading Alpha Fibonacci system. This was retail level. This was a key yesterday in the trading room. This was breathtaking and spectacular. Let's go back to the day before. Monday. This is the market at reversal zone. We're discussing with students far in advance that this is starting place to buy. So this is where the trade came from. So if you know far in advance that this is a place to buy, you're relaxed. You're trading as a strategic human being, not as a gambler. This is a market yesterday at this level, reminding you clearly, as we discussed with students non-stop, this is not the place to short, your only option to monitor for long. If I convert this chart to 5, to 3, to any chart you choose to trade, this was the market. Fake outs non-stop, and then price takes off on every single chart. This morning we are in an entirely different place. This morning, bullish rally overextended. Intelligent trader understands it's an entirely different morning. Institutional traders in spectacular profits. Retail traders understand we are at the bold red zone. We are no longer at the green zone. But institutions are long. Institutional traders adding 2 positions, celebrating spectacular holidays. Have you been shorting the markets because of the catastrophic global events? Or have you been buying with institutions? This is the power of the system and why JP Morgan traders trading Alpha Fibonacci system. You know far in advance where institutions buying the markets. You are not a gambler. You're extremely well prepared at institutional buy point. When institutional rally is skyrocketing despite catastrophic global events, you learn your lesson. Only when you trade with institutions, only when you turn off the noise, the hype, the catastrophic media machine, you understand how money is made. By negativity on the front page. As Warren Buffett says, be greedy when others are fearful. On the news, world losing its mind. On the charts, billions of dollars are long. As an intelligent human being, you are riding institutional power. You also understand the difference between you versus institutional traders who are hundreds and hundreds of points in profit. This is the biggest rally we've seen in many years. Absolutely no profit taking. Any profit taken by institutions for retail trader is a gift. And what played out with the software time and time again, as we discussed since the end of December, is a stunning lesson. Since the end of October. Right, institutional power. And you are prepared hours, days, weeks, even months in advance. This was a post in the trading room that was present for months. What did it say? Response from buyers will define markets for weeks and months to come. Again, the most important institutional chart present in the trading room for years. This is the end of October on the most institutional chart. This is a statement. Number one, you are not shorting. Number two, you are buying the bottom with institutions. Massive number of trades are present. World losing its mind. You are never, ever, ever trading against institutions. You are riding institutional power. Again and again and again. And that's a lesson of the current events. So if you understand how billions of dollars makes money, if you understand institutional power, number one, you are buying the bottom. Number two, you're not trading against institutions. And that's the lesson of the biggest institutional rally during catastrophic global events. From 4150 until 4600 level. 500 points vertical rally when news is catastrophic. You are using your limitless brain. You understand how money is made. You understand also the difference between yourself versus institutional traders. Institutional traders can add to position anywhere. You cannot. You obeying the rules and trade as strategic, rule-based trader. Pure price for entry and Alpha Fibonacci for exits. That's all you will ever need. So this morning there is oil news. This is institutional chart on oil. With Alpha Fibonacci system, you can trade on all platforms. Traders trading on TradingView, TradeStation, Interactive Brokers, MT4, MT5. System traded globally since 2011. Software came out for NinjaTrader 8 in 2019. So in front of you, there is no software on institutional chart on oil. Let's go back how system picked up the start of the bullish rally. Let's go back to summer 2023. This is June 1st. This is where oil was at 68 level. Do you remember S&P? Do you remember the bullish rally on S&P? You are buying the bottom with institutions. You understand price moves one step at a time. You also understand this will be key event on institutional rally on oil. So when oil selling off after reaching 90 level in October 2023, you are not surprised. You're extremely well prepared. Riding institutional power until not. This is the moment you start selling oil from 90. And as to the upside, to the downside, oil moves one step at a time. This is sell-off on oil you are witnessing currently, confirmed by retail chart. So when you're riding institutional power, you've been shorting oil from critical key institutional levels. This is extremely important event, 70 level on oil. So if I confirm this chart to retail chart, this is oil in the last few days. Oversold. And again, if I bring to your attention oil to November 19th, this was oil before sell-off. You know far in advance where reversal zone will be. You are not buying this level, you're monitoring for short. Oil collapsed significantly. This morning before oil news, oil oversold. Intelligent trader understands oil reached institutional buy point. But as of this morning, we're not seeing any buyers. Zero reason to pull a trigger yet. Pay attention, please. S&P reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Again, everyone clear. This is not the place to buy. Again, converting this chart to 1. To the tick software showing you. This is the place you're monitoring for short. You are not buying this level. Are we clear? What else is clear? It's also clear it's a counter trend trade. Institutions are long. This is extremely important moment. Extremely aggressive short. That's it. Please pay attention. This is S&P reversal zone, extremely weak correction to the tick 1 minute chart in a play showing you. We would love to see profit taking drastically bigger. Retail traders cannot buy at this level. Retail traders understand. Powerful pullback is key and critical this morning. So here's Amazon at identical level, 2022. Intelligent trader understands not to buy Amazon at this level, to monitor for short. Here's Amazon 2 years ago, before crash and sell-off. As intelligent trader understands, there is no safe haven in Amazon. Safe haven lies in your brilliant, limitless brain. And giving gift to yourself before you give gift to anyone else. Gift of freedom. And successful limitless trading. Short Amazon, do not buy. Can you look on your charts once a week? Can you look on your charts once a month? Day trading not for everyone, but you can use system long term. Amazon collapsed 65%. Sell-off was catastrophic until Amazon reached the bottom institutional buy point. Absolutely no software on this chart. This is Alpha Fibonacci system with proprietary rules, with proprietary Fibonacci levels. Every trader different platform, every trader different time frame. Bullish rally on Amazon 2023 been spectacular. Can you sell the top? Can you buy the bottom? Only you can identify if Amazon is appropriate for you, or if you want to trade 1 minute, if you want to trade 5 minutes, if you want to trade range charts, if you want to trade any chart. Here comes sell-off. Did we know that this is not the place to buy? That this is very different morning? Of course. And that's the reason JP Morgan traders trading this system. So use your limitless brain. Remember, you cannot buy reversal zone. Identical thing as you saw on oil and you saw on Amazon. Playing out in front of you live in the trading room. That's the only reason trading room is open. So you can see the power of the system and software in the live markets. Can you obey the rules? Can you identify what's appropriate for you? Intelligent trader understands to the downside. This is key moment. That's it. And that's Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. And that's scanner for Ninja Trader 8. No software on this chart, none. Trades play out on multiple charts. We knew before market open not to buy at this level. What is a gift right now for intelligent trader? Institutional crash is a gift. But this is only retail profit taking, and it continues on and on and on. How spectacular, how beautiful. And there is a trading room open, so you can see system in the live markets without any delays on all time frames. Are you clear on that? That's it. No speculation, no gambling, ultimate precision only. And why traders all over the world trading Alpha Fibonacci system on MT4, MT5, TradingView, TradeStation, Sierra charts, interactive brokers on platforms I never even heard of. When institutions trading on institutional platforms, multiple funds have their own platforms and they still trading Alpha Fibonacci system. No software required. That's it. And that's the power of the system live to the tick. So when you're obeying the rules and you're shorting, you understand price came to critical key reversal zone. Intelligent trader understands right now price can skyrocket and reverse. Again, I can project software on any chart I choose. So if price skyrocketing from this level, this is retail profit taking. Intelligent trader just trail very, very close. That's it. And that's Alpha Fibonacci system with and without software in the live market. From reversal zone at the top to reversal zone at the bottom. This is bottom retail reversal zone. And if buyers step in with vengeance, it's identical thing as on Amazon. It's all the same. Rules are met, take a trade. You decide what instrument, what time frame you want to trade. It's all exactly the same. So again and again and again, flawless and spectacular and breathtaking Alpha Fibonacci system live at retail reversal zone. Identical level as on oil, identical level as on Amazon. Absolutely no surprise, all precise. Rules are met, take a trade. Again, I convert the system to 3 to 5 to any chart. This is where we are currently, at retail reversal zone. 1 minute show you to the tick what's playing out now. Flawless. Can you stay in your lane when you drive? If the answer is yes, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci system. That's it. So identical thing you witnessed on S&P mini future live and you keep witnessing is what played out on Euro to the tick. Identical thing. There is only one difference. You're looking at the charts once a week. This is Euro before reversal. When I'm meeting with students in London, I time my trip perfectly when Euro is at the bottom. We have a student who is leaving Saudi Arabia and buying home in South France because Euro at the bottom. Can you do that? So here we go, extremely important and critical moment on Euro in summer 2022. Euro selling off, reaching critical key Alpha Fibonacci support. Intelligent trader understands we have more space to the downside on Euro. Historical collapse on Euro was flawless, spectacular, breathtaking. But it's exact same thing that's playing out in front of you right now on S&P mini future to the tick. And that's the reason I live and breathe what I do. I'm very proud of what I developed. I develop more systems every year. With each system I develop, absolutely no software required. With each system I develop, I promise you one thing. The best things in the market are pure and simple. And when you trade pure price, the skies are the limit. There is only one thing that's left to do: to add Alpha Fibonacci Proprietary Rules, Alpha Fibonacci Proprietary Retracements. Did we know that this would be a problem? Of course. Identical events on every instrument. Price moves one step at a time. And how euro skyrocketed from the bottom is identical event. Can you look at the chart once a week? Once an hour? Once a month? In the class, I review all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. So give yourself a gift of freedom, a gift of being able to trade all instruments, all platforms, all time frames. But if you want to trade with software for NinjaTrader 8, that option available to you. Traders who are on TradingView, placing trades on TradingView, but using software as a scanner. That's it. So you decide what you want to do, what instrument and chart you want to trade. So the biggest honor when father bringing his son to the course, father moving multi-million-dollar accounts as hedge fund manager, bringing his son to the course during COVID. And Dominic instantly shows to the world simplicity of the system. If complete beginner trader can do this, so can anyone. I love working with beginner traders that's holding the bar very high, that show you system is simple, but you do have to make an effort and obey the rules. And when you do, the skies are the limit. So when traders come to me that've been struggling all their lives, it's an example, time and time again. When human being can make an effort, as Brad does, supporting family of 5, anyone can. All you have to do, make an effort. And that's time and time again. All I have to do is follow the rules. The most intelligent method of all, an approach to trade financial market. What else is Brad has done? Brad learning every system I develop, which is open to graduates of the course. Always. Once a year, I announce new system and I invite graduates to learn. I develop 35 systems. With each system, you have opportunity to learn more and more and more. And when Carlton keeps bringing his friends to the course, healthcare executive trading system, when he's bored, when he's late at night, cannot sleep, he's trading. Look at the results. Look at what traders do all over the world. Those are some of the emails I received this year. And when Richard trading options, of course you can, he's trading on TradingView and he's trading on Thinkorswim. And when Ken paying cash for the house, and Jennifer, whose husband bringing her to the course, becomes full-time trader, anyone can. All you have to do, obey the rules and make an effort, as proven by traders all over the world, from 14 to 80 plus year old. So when you come to the website view, the movie student made about Fibonacci Trading Institute, celebrating 13-year anniversary. When I launched website in 2011, I refused to work for financial firms. I just said no to Goldman this summer. I choose freedom. Priceless. I choose human connection. I choose to continue building my systems.
Fibonacci the golden
So when we
ratio was
join in
discovered
our
by Leonardo
global
Pisano in
community
13th century.
of
An exact
husband
same
who
pattern
brought his wife to
repeats
the
in
course, this is
financial
Emmanuel's
markets.
husband.
This is Alpha
Of Carlton,
Peters,
who
founder
keep
of
bringing his
Fibonacci
friends to
Trading
the course.
Institute and
Of
Alpha
Ken,
Fibonacci
whose daughter
method.
gave
Alpha
the most
Fibonacci
breathtaking
Retracement tool
card of
identifies
all in London.
trend reversal areas
I
days,
look forward
weeks,
to
months and
receiving
years in advance, which will
I look forward to
override
receiving
all
card.
indicators. And when
Proprietary
price
system
comes
that can be
to
traded on all
Fibonacci
instruments on
reversal zone,
as proven by
mark
traders, as you can see in their emails from all over the world. If these traders can do it, anyone can. So when you choose the option appropriate for you, please understand, when I work with you in private mentoring, as I just start working with another student in Australia in the afternoon, Jennifer, another Jennifer just joined us, trading on NinjaTrader 8 and other platforms as a day trader and position trader. You receive access to group course, you receive access to video library of hundreds prior live recorded classes, software for NinjaTrader 8 and lifetime system for all platforms. Group course is second most desirable option. Savings $5,000, private mentoring savings $8,000. If you are on TradingView or other platforms, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders so much for spectacular day. Remember the rules? Rules are met, take a trade. Absolutely no long, buyers are weak. And as price reminded you again and again and again, price moves one step at a time. Do not speculate. Do not gamble with your money. You are a limitless human being who can obey Alpha Fibonacci rules and trade system with or without software for NinjaTrader 8. It's absolutely your personal choice. What instrument, what time frame, what platform you will choose to trade. Any questions? Reach out.